Alright, it's me, Seal here. I'm going to show you how to use PageRank Cafe. So this is free traffic. This is real easy to use. So I'm going to show you this real quick. So this is PageRank Cafe. You can see here that they have different people's ads going all up and down here. Okay, we're just going to keep this real simple. First thing you're going to do is when you get to PageRank Cafe, I'll give you the link in this video. Okay, it'll be down in the button under this video, so you can just click it and go in. You put your first name, last name, email, make up a username and a password, then do the password again. They make you repeat it so that you get it right. Take your username and password, put it somewhere safe, like your Gmail account or your like a text file on your computer, whatever works, as long as you can get at it. Do that for every password. Okay. Once you register, you're going to log in, and I'll show you what to do from here. Okay. So I'm going to log in. Alright, so as you can see, it'll say account balance, available posts, links viewed, links remaining. This is going to make sense here in a second. So what you're going to do is you're going to earn credits. Okay, that's the first thing we'll worry about. I'll show you this real quick. Won't be a long process. I just want to give you the idea. The short and dirty, as they say. So what it is here is you're viewing credits. This timer here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's counting down. And it said adding 2 view credits to your account. Alright. And then you can view another site. What it does is it says links viewed 6, links remaining 4. What this does is it lets you know how many groups of 10. So when you view 10 of these sites, you get a credit so you can post yours. Okay. And then you hit view next site. And you can always leave this up, like PageRank Cafe and this surfing part up, and go about your other business and come back here and look at stuff, and then just click the go to another window button again. Like if I'm doing something over here in Now Lifestyle, you're busy doing whatever you're doing, this thing's still running. You come back and you look and see if there's something of use or not. And there's all sorts of websites on here. It's going to be crazy. Nothing bad though. You know, it's all PG. So see, another 2 view credits added to your account. So now I've viewed 8. I only have 2 left. And this is where you see available posts. I'm going to do 2 more so you can see the posts go up. Okay. Here we go. Next site. Take you through this. I just want you to see where you can keep track of your credits. So, you know, I always assume that anybody starting out has an advertising budget of 0. So I show a lot of people how to use a lot of different free traffic sources. Okay. Now see, that went up to 135 because I got 2 view credits here. Okay, so these are probably worth 2 apiece. Some of them are worth 1. So that I just got another post I can make. So let's say you're done, because you still have this page open. You click out of this, or you can just go back to it. It's up to you. I'm just going to go back. Okay. I am going to put add link. I'll go in here. You're going to log in. I know this is repetitive, but you know, I want to make sure that, you know, I know you watched my last video and did what it said in there, but I always reinforce things with everybody, so that'll be good. Can't hurt to repeat it just a little bit. And this always runs slow because my recording software. So as soon as, there we go, it woke up. All right. You're going to go down to reseller tools. Promo links, opportunity, lead pages. It'll come across here in a drop down bar. I'd rather be over thorough than not thorough enough. So that's why I always do my videos step by step this way. You won't always get a painfully long review of last videos. It's just in this case I just wanted to make sure you got everything. Here we go. Now Lifestyle, Amazing Simple 2. And it spins and it spins. Alright, this is your link. It'll have your affiliate ID, not mine. You hit copy link to clipboard. It says copied. Now you come back to PageRank Cafe. You're going to hit title. First thing you do, put the URL in here. Okay, then you can put you can think up a title. You can look at the page a little bit, come up with something. Someone's advertising now lifestyle on PageRank. Yeah, it's a good spot. A lot of us love it, and it works. They get a butt ton of traffic. Yes, that's official unit of measure. So let's see. I'm just going to put a really... Anyone can succeed with business in a box as long as you can copy and paste. You're good to go. Now the cool thing about this site, you can use a long headline like that. Okay, a lot of sites, if you're doing other ads, which I'll show you later, you only get a certain amount of characters. I always scroll back to make sure I didn't screw anything up like I did here. So now you're going to slide this down a little bit. You're going to click I'm not a robot. Well, leave it where you can see it. And it'll show you the page right here, so you know you did the right one, and you know it will load for other people. Helps if I click submit. There we go. It should show up right here. Take it a minute. Because my recording software, it takes it a second to show up, so I'm going to sit here like an idiot and wait for it to show up. Oh, goodness. Now, when you do this, it will not take this long. Okay. Try that again. That's how that goes. Now, lifestyle.com, amazing simple. Let me just double check. Of course, it would do that. Oh, now it shows that it now it came up because I clicked off of it. Alright, try this again. So there, this is what you'll see. It won't make you wait like it did me because I have my recorder on. Hit submit again. It'll go through it. That's what it should look like for you, so you can read it. Only happens because I'm doing an instructional video, you know. That's how it goes. Then you hit OK. And it says your link's been saved. And don't worry about the rest of this. I leave this just as it is. I scroll down. I don't bother with any of this. Standard link, one post point. It's got stuff here. Just ignore all this. Okay, we're talking about free. Okay, don't check on any of that crap. And you hit submit. Now, one thing I always tell people, you know, you're going to be investing something for advertising. You know, if you're not investing cash money, you're investing your currency of time. So this, you know, this site's fairly quick. You can cover a lot of surfing and get, you know, plenty of links. Now, the thing with this is you can add 5 links to the page because I'll show you where it displays. Okay, we'll go back over here for a second. So you know that that's active before I take you back to the other page and show you it. Okay, link is now active. You go to my links, and if you will eventually have a bunch of links in here. So what you're going to do is hit views, because right then that one will have 0 or only a couple. See, that's right there. It'll show you your title. It'll show you the views. Okay, and it'll show you your affiliate URL. Now, like I always tell people, these are done for you lead capture pages. And in your future, when you're doing your own, always use a lead capture page. Now I'm going to show you, because I've had other things on here for a long time. I'm switching to views so it goes most. You don't see this gets traffic 42, 3,000, 2,400, 2,200. So you can get, you know, once it's on here, and people constantly view it. I'll show you what I mean. Now you just let's say you just posted a ad. See, added 1 minute ago by me. It'll say you. It shows that, and you can add 5 of these. Okay, meaning you can do what I just did 5 times. You can either do it in a row, or you can spread it out as you're doing other stuff and throw one in here. You are only allowed to have 5 on this page. Okay, and it'll take a while to work its way down and drop off, but you can only have 5 total. So if you separate them, one will drop off and you can do another one. It's however you really want to do it. Doesn't matter, but it does ticker tape down, because every time someone adds one, yours goes down, and then it'll eventually drop off. But a lot of people see this. So there we go. I go back into my account. You have to find your way back if you're looking here to make sure that your ad was posted, and you can always click on it to see how it shows up if you want to, so you don't have to surf other people's. You just click on your own and you can look and make sure it looks right to you. And then when you want to navigate back, you can hit my account. You can go to my links, and it'll pretty much always bring you back to this screen right here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Showed you how to dig out your affiliate link and throw it into this free advertising resource. You can, surf, like I said, you can surf here, and while you're doing other stuff, and you'll have 5 available posts in no time, and then just go post them. Okay, use 5 different of those done for you lead capture pages. Give people a nice variety. If you have any questions about, they're all awesome. But, the Amazing Simple and the Amazing Simple 2 are good. So is the pre-launch number 9. They're all great. But, start with those 3 and you'll be good to go. I mean, obviously, people are advertising here because they're loving it. So that's all I got for now. Hope that made sense. If you have any questions, of course, just give me a shout back. I'd be happy to clarify any of my ramblings. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.